Hello there. If you have mobility issues like myself, you're going to want to listen up, because if you were like me, just desperate to find anything that can help, this particular device gets you back out on the river, gets you walking, wading again. You're able to hike down trails to get to your favorite lake. No more do you have to worry about, can I make it? Is my back going to hold up, or my legs going to hold up? Because with the Hypershell, it'll hold up. I purchased my first Hypershell after learning that after a robotics fair, I think it was in Vegas, that the Hypershell company won Best in Show, right? And it was because of the innovation of their Hypershell. You have full mobility in this thing. It's incredible. It gives you a 40% lift. Not only does it lift up your leg, but it pushes down your leg. So now walking down the trail, you feel 70 pounds lighter. Walking up the river, you can cut right up the current without a problem at all. I recently went to a fishing derby that Fish Techie was holding and had about 15 people try it on. They were jumping up on benches, running around the fields. They were like kids. Because it's incredible, the feeling. Even Patrick from Oros was able to hop into Ryan's truck without any effort at all, where he was literally doing like climbing a mountain prior to having the Hypershell on. It truly does make an incredible difference if you have mobility issues. And take it from me, I've been now wearing it for over a year, and it has gotten me back outside. It has gotten me walking rivers like this again. It's gotten me hiking up to alpine lakes, which will be happening later this year. I wouldn't be able to do it without the Hypershell. I just don't have the strength anymore in my legs because of a lower back injury and impinged nerves. So the Hypershell is as simple as putting it on like a weight belt, right? It's up on above your hips. Clip that up, tighten it, snug it down, and then put your right leg on, bring the strap around, clip that, put your left leg in place, bring the strap around, clip. It's literally on in about 10 seconds. It's that easy. Turn the power button on. You could have it on eco mode, which generally is what I have it on. It just saves the battery. And hyper mode, right? If you got to climb up a steep bank, it gives you about a 20% boost. So the batteries will last all day. So I'll be fishing all day today, and this battery will last me. I went 23,000 steps on one battery and still had about 25% left. So these lithium batteries are something else. They just last forever. But I get you a backup. I have 2 batteries on mine so that I can just switch them out and then charge the other. They will charge up pretty quick. If you have a 65-watt charger, they do charge up in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. All right. I'll leave a link down in the pinned comment if you want to check these out for yourself. They truly have made an incredible difference in my life and in my outdoor world, being able to get to the spots that I just was worried I wouldn't be able to get in or get back out again. Incredible. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.